So we continue. Before creating our first script, I want to give a couple of recommendations regarding the completion of this course. You should not watch the lesson and try to create a script at the same time. It's better to first watch the lesson, absorb the information, and then try to create the script from memory. This will allow you to learn the information from this course most effectively and thoroughly. Well, let's move on to creating our first script. To do this, click on the PAW New Project button, and make sure to turn off the red button. It is needed to automatically record all the actions of our browser. That is, if we click on a button, it will automatically record it, fill in some data, follow a link. Absolutely all actions that we perform in the Browser tab will be recorded in our project. With a 100% probability, this will cause errors the next time the script is restarted. In the following lessons, I will prove this to you. Next, we go to the settings of our profile. And here, there is a value such as nationality. Often, when registering on a website, we are asked to provide a first name, last name, or city of residence. The field nationality determines to which country the values of these names will be linked. Right now we have USA set, meaning American names, surnames, and cities will be generated. If we set it to Germany, then German data will be generated, but we will leave it as USA. The value of gender will depend on the probability of generating a male or female. If set to the far left position, the profile will be created as female with a 100% probability. If set to the far right, it will be male. Let's leave it at 50-50. I think the age field is clear. You set the minimum possible age value and the maximum. I will set it to 20 and 30. Do not change anything in the Browser tab. After you have set the necessary settings, close this window and save the project. You can do this by pressing the Ctrl+S key combination, or by clicking on the File tab and selecting Save As. Here you specify the save path for your project and give it a name. I recommend always giving the project a name that reflects its content. For example, if it's a recorder, name it accordingly, and so on. Well, I will write Project 1 now. Let's save it. Next, let's deal with variables. What are they and what do they store? For this, go to the Variables tab in the Environment section. Here are all the variables of our profile. The settings we specified will determine them. Meaning, here we have the country, USA, which corresponds to our nationality. And we also have a name, surname, year of birth, age, city of residence, and postal code formed. Upon the next script restart, these values will be updated, but the variable names will remain unchanged. What does a variable represent? It is a cell that has a value, in this case, 34, and a name. In this case, profile, age. The variable name will always remain unchanged, but its value will be updated with each script restart. During the creation of the script, we will specify the variable name. That is, it serves as a reference to this cell. We specify the variable name, and the script will constantly indicate a new value, in this case, the age. Let's restart the script now, and I will demonstrate to you that the data is being updated. But we can't do that right now because our project is empty. To do this, let's add an action and navigate to some page. To do this, right-click in the project area, add actions, tabs, navigate to page. Remember this, add actions, tabs, navigate to page. Next, go to the action properties. Select our action and specify the link to which we want to navigate. In this case, I want to navigate to the Google page. Specify https google.com. Open the Browser tab and connect our action to the Start button. Next, we should save the project. We can do this by pressing Ctrl+S or by going to File and Save. Then we can restart our project. The Google page has opened. Next, we go back to our variable environment And we see that a new profile has already been created with a new first name, last name, and year of birth. All the data has been updated. Let's restart the script once more. And the data has been updated again. We have a new year of birth, a new name, and a new city. All their data is being updated. In the next lesson, we will be creating our first full-fledged script, specifically a registrar.